What is a function? Let's consider this illustration. Here, the function is the box, where there is an input and an operation takes place inside the box that gives out an output. By definition, a function from A to B is a relation from A to B, where for each A element of set A, there corresponds exactly one B element of set B, such that the coordinate AB satisfies the function. It can also be defined as a set of ordered pairs in which no two ordered pairs have the same first component but different second components. Functions can be represented in different ways: mapping, graph, ordered pairs, equations. Let's take a look at the following examples. Is the given mapping a function or not? If we recall, for it to become a function, the first component should only have one correspondence. Let's have letter A. P is paired with M, Q is paired with N, R is paired with N. Since all first components are paired once, so this mapping is a function. For letter B, P is paired with X, Q is paired with Y, R is paired with X. So this is also a function. Now, for letter C, P is paired with X, Q is paired with Y. Q again is paired with Z. If you notice, Q is two-timing. It is paired with Y and Z. So, this mapping is not a function. Let's consider the following sets of ordered pairs. Is it a function or not? Let's start with set A. Here, we simply inspect the first component and make sure that there is no repetition. We have 1, 4, 3, 4. Since there is a repetition of 4, then this set is not a function. Now, for set B, 2, 3, 6. No repetition, so this is a function. Set C, -1, 2, 3, 2. There is a repetition of 2, so this is not a function. Lastly, set D, 0, 1, -2, 3. No repetition, therefore it is a function. Now, let's move on to the vertical line test. A graph represents a function if there are no vertical lines that intersect the graph at more than one point. If you look at this figure, it is a function since no vertical line crossed the graph more than once. In the second figure, this is not a function since there is a vertical line that crosses the graph more than once. Now, let's take a look at the following graphs. If we draw a line in graph R, the vertical line intersects the graph at 2 points. Therefore, graph R is not a function. For graph S, if we draw a vertical line, we can see that they only intersect once. Therefore, graph S is a function. Here's another set of graphs, S sub 1 and S sub 2. Let's draw a vertical line of graph S sub 1. If we draw a vertical line here, it intersects the graph twice. Therefore, S sub 1 is not a function. Next, before we draw a vertical line in S sub 2, note that a hollow circle means that a point is not included in the graph, meaning there is a missing one point there. So if we try to zoom it, it will look like this. Now, let's draw a vertical line. So the point of intersections are these. Therefore, this graph of S sub 2 is a function. Now it's your turn. Answer activity 1.1 on functions.